Hey, what's going y'all? Ramny here with a brand new drawing tutorial for you guys, and today is going to be the last SpongeBob tutorial that I'm going to do for now. And we are going to do a meme. This is going to be Handsome Squidward. So I hope you guys are enjoying my SpongeBob tutorials. Yeah, I think this is the best one yet. So let's go ahead and get started. Got my paper in landscape mode for this one. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw an oval. And it's going to be like that. So I'm kind of drawing it as squares first, or as lines, because it's going to look like that. And you guys see that it's longer this way, right? And once you have those 4 lines, then you could just round off the corners so that you get a fairly nice oval. Now this corner right here is going to be less rounded. You guys can see there's like a slight difference. It's very, very slight. Okay, and now remember to draw this lightly, as we are going to add some more stuff to it. So there's that. The top part, now you don't want flat, so you just want to make sure that those are rounded. Here it doesn't matter so much, but over here you don't want a flat line. You want to make sure that it continues on as a rounded line. Okay, there you go. So there's our initial beginning part of Handsome Squidward's face. Now I'm going to kind of draw a line going down over here. That's going to be the center of the face. Okay, now about here, I'm going to start figuring out where the cheeks are going to go. So I'm going to find a spot right here, and that's kind of like the base of the cheek there, the cheekbone. And then he's got this curve that sort of goes like that. And that's one cheek. And then you got to go on this side, and you got to find the same thing right around here. Okay, so the top, you want to make sure that lines up and then curves like this. Okay, just like that. Now, there we go. Now I'm going to bring this right here where this curve meets the line. I'm going to draw the jaw, and it goes down. And this one goes down as well. And this sort of widens just a teeny bit as you go down. Okay, and then right here is going to be the base of the neck. It's going to go out this way. Okay, so you want to make sure that you have this cheekbone and this cheekbone are sort of similar in shape. So you want to get that right, similar in shape and size. Okay, good. Right here I'm going to draw a line, and then I'm going to draw the brow like this. Okay, so about this far down, that's kind of how you want that line to go. This goes out, and this is going to be the chin. And as it comes out, you don't want it to go anywhere past this right here. So you want to go a little bit, then halfway, like that. And then diagonal line this way. And then over here, about the same spot over here. There you go. So there's the jaw. It just makes me giggle already. Let me zoom in now. And there we have it. Okay, so there's the base of our face here, and I'm going to bring this out to about there. That's going to be, of course, the rest of the cheekbone. Okay, so here we have this line right here. You want to draw an eye starting here, going towards that line that we drew for the center of the face. So, and it's going to look like an egg on its side. Again, another oval. So about this big, like that. Okay, but this far away, you draw the next one, same size. It's kind of starting to look like a skull. There you go. And that's fine. If it looks like a skull, that's fine, because we're going to add some details to it to make it less skull-like. I'm going to erase that base of the that initial oval that we drew. I'm going to erase that. Okay, so now I'm going to draw the nose. Start over here, and you kind of want to cover part of the eye with the bridge of the nose it's got a bump to it right here, and then you go straight down. The slight curve to it. Okay, and then as you go down, you can still kind of see faintly my curve right here. As soon as you pass that, you start to change the direction of your curve. like so. Okay, bring this towards the center line, then bring this up towards this line right here, and then curve it. Okay, here's the side of the nose. And then the side of the nose on this side, start here, the base of this circle line. There you go. Okay, now find a spot right around here, and there that line goes. And from here you do something similar, just coming out to about there. It looks silly to me. Okay, bags under the eyes, here and here. And the eyes are kind of half asleep. And by half asleep, I mean the eyelid is kind of lower down. It's not quite halfway, so you want to make sure that it's not halfway, and it's got a little curve to it. There you go. Now you want him to be looking in this direction, so half a circle, looking in that direction. There you go. Brow lines right here, covering the eye, the top of the eye here. And same thing on this side. Okay, more brow above the nose here. Start right here, and it goes like this. Okay, and next to it is slightly different shaped line. There you go, that's good. And then just a line in the middle there. Okay, going over here now, kind of right where the eyebrow is on this side, you want to draw a curve going top left, and then another one going down, smaller one. Okay, and then you want to continue this curve so that it sort of creates like this cranium shape. So over here, pay attention to this because this is kind of what you're drawing on this side. So about a similar shape in the same location. There you go. I'm going to tilt this slightly so it makes it easier for my wrist. I'm going to figure out the top of my lips there, the middle part of my lips. Maybe it's, there you go, so you guys can see better. I'll just situate my body. Top, middle, and then the lower lips are a little bit bigger. There you go. Okay, so start in the middle. Just like that. Then over here, it's further out. It goes to the top and then goes to the side. Okay, and then this one, just find these two curves here on the inside and just like that. Okay, and then here, we've got this line here. Start from here, do a little curve inwards into the lip. Find that bottom line. And then same thing over here, so we've got a little curve inward, and then find that bottom line. And there you go. Line here at the bottom. You guys should have some space. Start over here, kind of follow the same curve as that other one. There you go. Oh, I'm loving it. Okay, so there you go. If you guys want to add like a little bit of a shine to his forehead or to his head there, make him look even more handsome. There is that. Okay, so one last thing is we got to find this curve starting from, or just like right here, and then find the base over here and think of this as like a natural curve. Like that. Okay. And then right here, this is going to be for the collar of the shirt. And then kind of right here where the cleft chin is. And then right around here is where you want that to kind of follow. And just keep going until you get the collar right there. That curves, and then there's another curve, and I'm going to stop it right around here. If you guys want to see the reference photo for this, it's down below. Okay, and then lastly, about this far, this close to the shirt collar, here we have the seam for the shoulder, and that's it. Okay, don't forget the Adam's apple, and then strands of hair, strands of chest hair that sort of just look like this. Okay, I'm doing it very randomly, not too much, but there you go. Okay, looking at it, I think the last thing that we got to do are these two wrinkles here on the side, and this right here in the middle of the mouth there. And I think that's it, you guys. Very easy one today. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of my Spider-Man SpongeBob tutorials. Be sure to stay tuned. There will be more tutorials to come, so I'll see you guys then. Take care. And you guys, that is all the time that we have for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in all the way to the very end. I appreciate that a lot. If you guys are proud of your drawings, I would love to see them. So head on over to Instagram, tag me at Draw2 so I can see your masterpieces. If you guys are ever curious about the tools that I use for drawing or the equipment that I use to make these videos, I have links in the description of this video, so make sure you guys check that out. If you are feeling extra generous, I have links down in the description as well for different ways that you can show your support on this channel. I already mentioned Patreon, but there are other ways as well, so be sure to check those out. Links in the description. Your contributions go a long way in ensuring that I can continue making videos just like this for you guys to enjoy free of charge. Again, if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video right here, comment down below, and share this with your friends in your social media. And speaking of social media, don't forget you guys can find me on Instagram, on Facebook, and of course on my website draw2.com, where you can find a free coloring page based on the tutorial drawing that is found in this video. Again, you guys, all of the links to those are found in the description of this video, so be sure to check that out. Finally, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. And yeah, stay tuned for more so you can learn to draw it too. I'll see you guys next time.